What's up, bro? Welcome back to Sam's channel. In this video, I'm going to break down clearly how I read engulfing in the market. I'll explain why this structure is called engulfing and why it actually makes sense. No complicated theory. We'll look at real examples directly on the market, step by step. All right, bro, let's get straight into it. A lot of you keep asking me, Sam, why is this called an engulfing? Sam, why this one? So here's the thing, bro. I'll explain it based on my own style and understanding, so pay close attention. I read the engulfing pattern based on market conditions, the momentum that's forming, and never randomly market. Take a look at this chart, bro. This is what I call a bullish engulfing. Why do I call it a bullish engulfing? Because this bearish candle gets fully taken, or its high gets broken by a bullish candle. That tells me bullish momentum is coming in. Now you see why this is called a bullish engulfing? So why do I mark both wicks of the bearish candle? I use them as a key zone, either for a potential entry area or to wait for market reaction when price comes back to this zone. Got it, bro? All right, pay attention here. We have one bearish candle. And people often ask me, Sam, is this an engulfing buy or not? The answer is yes, it is an engulfing buy. But let me break it down. First, we get a bearish candle. Then, the first bullish candle appears, but it's still small. Here, buyers are not strong yet because price has not broken the bearish high. Next, we see the second bullish candle. Same thing, still no momentum, no breakout. Now look at the third bullish candle. This is the key. This candle successfully breaks the high of the previous bearish candle. This is where bullish momentum is formed. Buyers start entering the market here. That's why I call this an engulfing buy. Not because of one candle, but because the momentum is clearly there. Let me give you another example. In this area, I call this an engulfing buy. Why? Because one bearish candle is completely eaten by four bullish candles. This clearly shows that big buyers are entering this area. This is where bullish momentum is born. Pay attention to the wick of the bearish candle. That wick is finally broken by the fourth bullish candle. So I don't overthink why this is called an engulfing buy. You can see it clearly. The high of the bearish candle has been fully taken out by bullish price action. That's simple for me. Now let's move on to engulfing sell. Why do I call this an engulfing sell? It's actually not much different from an engulfing buy. The only difference is the direction. For an engulfing sell, a bullish candle is eaten or broken by bearish candles. Take a look at the structure. Here we have one bullish candle, then it gets engulfed by two bearish candles. And the key point is this. The second bearish candle closes below the low of the bullish candle. This is where bearish momentum starts to form. Sellers begin to enter the market here. Here's another example. In this condition, one bullish candle is eaten by a bearish candle. This is what we call an engulfing sell. Simple structure. Bullish is taken out, bearish takes control. You can learn while observing this pattern. I want you to really understand what I'm explaining. Now try to guess. What structure is this? Drop your answer in the comments. can learn something from this. In the next video, I'll share the strategy I personally use. See you in the next video.